Hello and welcome back to another video. Today let us look how we can create a dashboard in Power BI. To start with, this is the Power BI home screen. We will go to blank reports and import data from Excel. Here we can select the data file that we have. We'll open it and select it and load. The data is now loaded. As we can see, starting with this is the Power BI screen where we can select the visuals that we want. For example, in this data, we have the region category, subcategory, product name, unit sold, unit price, total revenue, cost per unit, total cost, and profit. So how we can visualize this is, let's start with pie chart that will show us the total revenue by subcategory. So we can select subcategory and total revenue. And we can see that it shows us total revenue by subcategory. Next, we can add this Treemap and check the sum of total revenue by subcategory. To add value, we can simply turn on data labels. Let us see total revenue monthly. For this, we will add a line chart, total revenue and date. And under date, we will remove year, quarter, and day, and we will be left with is month-wise revenue. Similarly, we can add the same chart for profit, base, and profit in the format. We can use stack bar chart to check total revenue by region. We can select region and total revenue. This will show us the revenue with respect to every region. And we can turn on data labels to check it. We can use donut chart to see a unit sold in particular region. For this, we will turn on regions and units sold. We can see how many units are sold in a particular region. So we can add a donut chart showing profits by category. And to visualize this, we will edit it. We want to see a particular category, for example, electronics. If we click on electronics, the figures that we see and the charts will only show us the electronics part of the data. Similarly, when we click on furniture, the figures will automatically change and will be shown with respect to furniture. We can also do this region-wise. For example, in West, the apparels had 93 million of revenue, furniture had 140 million, and electronics had 56 million. The profits in the West region in Jan was around 75 or to 80 million, and the profit in the month of Jan was around 7.72 million. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Thank you.